In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a website in less than 8 minutes. Go to rstudio.works or click on the link in the description below. Okay, let's get started. So first thing we need to do is choose a domain name. This is the name of your website and this is how people are going to reach you. For YouTube, for example, that's youtube.com, or Google, that's google.com. For my client, I'll be looking for his business name, but as you can see, I have already bought it previously. So here you can choose the most appropriate one for you. Click select and add to cart. It's going to take you to this page for the privacy protection. Usually it's a good thing to have privacy so you don't get spammed by all these marketing emails. But for here, we're just going to choose no thanks and click on continue with these options. This is going to take you to your shopping cart, and here we can see that it's by default 2 years, but we can choose the domain registration for 1 year. And it's going to cost you about $17 for the whole year. Now we need the hosting. For that, just click on the home link and it's going to take you back to the page where we came from. So step 2 is going to be adding your web hosting. Usually for these kind of small websites, we just choose WordPress Basic. WordPress Deluxe is for more high traffic websites. So just click add to cart to whichever package you want to choose. We can also add a business email or a security certificate. But for the demo purposes, we're just going to go with the basics and check out. Back in the shopping cart, we can see that the default duration for managed WordPress hosting is 12 months. But we can choose 1 month if we want to. The longer duration we select, the cheaper the hosting is going to be. If we don't have an account, we can go ahead and create one or just sign in. Here I'm going to just put in my email and username. And create a good password. Then click on create account. We need to fill in our billing information and credit card details. Then click on complete purchase. Now this is going to start our WordPress installation. Choose a WordPress username for the admin dashboard and a good WordPress password. And click on create. Give it some time to install, it might take a minute or two. We are now ready to launch the dashboard. Right here you can click on no thanks because we are going to do the WordPress setup ourselves. This is the WordPress dashboard. That means that WordPress has been successfully installed on our hosting. Now we just need to attach the domain to the hosting. Click on attach domain. And our domain name should show up in that drop down menu and select the one we just bought. Click attach and give it a couple of minutes and it should attach it to our hosting. Now if you go to the domain name, you might see a parked page like this. That means the domain has not propagated yet. It can take anywhere between half an hour to 2 hours to get propagated. If you see the domain name in the URL for the dashboard, it means it's working. We will now install the Astra plugin on WordPress. So click on plugin and add new. Then search for Astra. This should bring up the first one, the Astra starter sites. Click on install now and activate. Once installed, click on the ready starter sites here. Select Elementor and click next. This will bring us hundreds of professionally designed Astra-based templates. Just select the free ones, which are really good actually, and select which one you want to use for your website. For this client, I'm going to choose this particular template. So click on preview and it should load the website for us to have a look. So once I'm satisfied with the look of the website, you can just go ahead and import it by clicking on the import site button. Once that's done, we can just click on the view site and then it's going to take us to the actual live site. Anybody using that domain name can now access the website. The only thing left to do now is customize the template to our needs. I'll show you how to do that in details in my free YouTube video linked in the description below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for future videos.